Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Englishang French Learning. In my today's video, we learn how to introduce our family. So friends, let's start. Grandfather. We say grandfather in French as le grand-père. Le grand-père. Grandmother, la grand-mère. Father, le père. Mother, la mère. Uncle, la oncle. Aunt, la tante. Son, le fils. Daughter, la fille. Brother, le frère. Sister, la sœur. Children, enfants. Grandson, le petit-fils. Father-in-law, le beau-père. Mother-in-law, la belle-mère. Sister-in-law, la belle-sœur. Brother-in-law, le beau-frère. Son-in-law, la beau-fille. Daughter-in-law, la beau-fille. So, that's all for the day. We will meet in my next video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.